All right, Miss Clayton tested negative, which is obviously good, and
No 5-hour energies.
yeah, you never know about those energies.
Stay away from
Ms. Clayton, in cause number 25, DCCR 0446, you were previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. I have received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
defense action.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any additions or corrections?
Nothing defense.
Not from the state, Your Honor.
What is everyone's position with regard to the recommendation in the pre-sentence report with regard to her addiction issues? The recommendation is ISF followed by JCDI program.
Again, for the defense, Your Honor, the treatment is a continuum, I suppose, and since she's demonstrated, at least today, that she's drug-free, then I would suggest the court only ISF in advance, just see how she progresses on probation. Maybe perhaps with a drop program.
Well, she's going to go through JCDI for sure,
Or JCDI.
if at a minimum. Mr. Nichols, thoughts since
I
she
would ask
tested
at least for
negative?
JCDI, Your Honor. She's still underage, but she has a drinking problem and needs to get that dealt with, treated, or under control. And she also smokes marijuana regularly. The facts on this case, she and a friend were heavily intoxicated,
Yeah.
fled from police, lucky it wasn't a
Could've been
crash,
It could have been terrible.
tried to hide out from police around
Yeah,
a.
I know, yeah.
I mean, it could have been a lot worse. And I'll just tell the court, from reviewing the video, at least that night, they sure thought it was hilarious. She needs to grow up. She needs to take a little more serious what's getting her here in felony court.
Yeah.
And
You understand it's not funny. I mean, no, I understand that right now, and people do that.
This is one of those brutally honest moments judges are known for. Evading police in a vehicle isn't just reckless. It's often how people end up seriously hurt or worse. The judge is drawing a clear line here. What felt funny at the time is now a felony-level wake-up call. Let me ask you, do moments like this actually change someone's mindset? Or does that reality only hit after consequences stack up?
Yeah, I do regret everything that night.
So here's the thing, and the seriousness of this is that if you don't do what you're supposed to and get your life on the right track, which is what everyone wants. You're young, we want you to be successful. You're going to get a probation today where you don't have a felony conviction on your record. And if you complete that probation, you're never going to be a convicted felon. But if you violate and you don't take advantage of the programs that we're going to give you, it's going to be difficult because you're at an age where all your friends are going to be doing things that you're not going to be able to do. But the alternative is prison for up to 10 years.
This is the heart of the entire hearing. Deferred probation means she walks out without a felony conviction if she does everything right. But listen carefully. The alternative is up to 10 years in prison. That's the trade being offered. Freedom with structure or total loss of control. This is the system giving a second chance, but with a stopwatch running.
So you need to think about that every time somebody says, oh, just come on out with us and do whatever. And your answer is going to be, I'll do that in a few years when I'm not on probation, right? Because I don't want to go to prison for 10 years.
Curfew's important. It's probably one of the most important.
So I am going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 3 years. You're ordered to pay the $250 fine. I am going to order that you enter and successfully complete the ISF substance abuse track, but I'm going to hold that in abeyance. That is an inpatient 90-day program. So if you get in, you're going to be required to go to JCDI and complete that program. And it'll give you the tools, hopefully, that you need to stay sober. If that's not enough and you need something more, it's already ordered. A warrant will go out for your arrest. You'll go into custody and you'll go straight to that program, okay? I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed. So you have waived your right to appeal. You just need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation will call you up when she's ready to go over your paperwork. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, is that it?